So how can you delete the activity on your Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So before we get started, most definitely make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you're not going to miss anything important. So there are a few things which you might be interested in, like the activity is actually an application itself, right? So you have the rings looking application on the Apple Watch and you have the ability to get rid of it. Like on the Apple Watch, you can hold down on your icons or your apps, and there is going to be the little X icon. So you can literally just delete the whole application from the Apple Watch. Personally, I wouldn't recommend you to do it because you wouldn't really want to get rid of it, but you just want to make sure that it doesn't probably deliver you notification or that it doesn't really disturb you. So you can go to the watch application of your iPhone, which is paired to that Apple Watch, and then check out the activity section. And in there, you probably want to manage this, right? So you can, for example, don't allow notifications at all, or send just to the notification center, or even just manage the reminders and a notification separately. So as I say, you might just want to disable the daily coaching or goal completion notifications or like challenges or whatever, right? But yeah, you probably don't want to delete that altogether. Keep in mind, however, that you are interested in deleting like separate records of your workouts. You can find it inside of the Health app, where if you tap on the search, you can measure your activity and all of the like workouts and everything, right? And in there, you can manage all of your like separate recorded running workouts or exercises or everything like that, right? And in there you can, as of course, you can like delete the entries or work around anything that you want, right? So that is how you can do this on your Apple Watch. Let me know in the comments below what you wanted to achieve and if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.